Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In the previous class, we explained the literal, linguistic, and technical terminological definitions of muqaddamah, introduction. Now, the relationship between the literal and technical meanings of muqaddamah is that whoever studies the introduction will be ahead of the person who is unaware of it. The muqaddamah is of two types. Introduction to a science, muqaddamah al-ilma. Introduction to a book, muqaddamah al-kitab. Introduction to a science, muqaddamah al-ilm. It is the introduction in which the necessary matters are explained before discussing the actual topics of a particular science. Introduction to a book, maqam al-kitab. It is the introduction upon which the understanding of the book depends, and without this introduction, it becomes difficult to understand the book. The introduction that we are discussing is the introduction to the science, which is related to Tajweed. The introduction is as follows. Before beginning any science, it is very important to know its definition, subject matter, rank, and objective. Now, let us define Tajweed. Linguistic definition. Translation. To make something beautiful and excellent. Technical definition. Translation. To pronounce the letters from their proper points of articulation with their proper characteristics, with ease and without harshness. Subject of this science. The subject of this science is the Arabic alphabet, Arabic letters. Rank of this science. The rank of this science is superior to all other sciences because it is directly connected to the Holy Quran. Just as the Holy Quran is superior to all other books, likewise, the science of Tajweed is superior to all other sciences. Objective of this science. The objective of learning this science is to ensure the correct pronunciation of the Arabic alphabet and its letters. This concludes today's class. Inshallah, we will continue with the remaining topics in the upcoming classes. Jazakumullah.